Welcome to TU Dublin's Registration Portal Guide. Click on the 4 white squares at the top left corner of your screen. This will open a menu. Please select Banner from this menu. Next, select Student. Finally, select Registration. To register, please select Register for Classes. Select your semester and course. From the module selection screen, click on the module you want to add or change. By clicking on the class's title under the title heading, you will be given an information box for that class. Please check that the CRM provided by your lecturer is correct to the course you have selected. Once you are happy, please press the Add button on the right hand side. If the CRM doesn't match, you can unregister from a class by using the drop-down menus located in the bottom right of your screen. Select Web Drop/Delete and press Submit to save. This will unenroll you from the selected module. If you receive an error message, please check that you've selected the correct module.